Alright folks, hope y'all enjoy the video and have a blessed day. Let's go. Alright folks, we're going to do a mail call video here right quick. I got a package in from Brother Dwayne Clark over at Clark's Kentucky Knives. And man, I'm so proud of the stuff he sent me. So let's just show you what he sent. Everything came in this little old burlap bag, which is pretty cool. But I got a I guess you'd call it a handkerchief bandana, American flag themed bandana. That's really cool. He put me a cross in here. This is one that can be hung up, and it will get hung up on my wall down here in my new man cave that I'm working on. Really appreciate that, Dwayne. He sent me a couple of bookmarks with the Lord's Prayer on it. Our Father, which art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done in earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our debts as we forgive our debtors. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, and the power, and the glory forever. Amen. That's awesome. Love that. Love that. And he sent me a couple of stickers. And y'all know what that means. It means we're going to get to put one of those on our sticker wall. Man, I get so excited over the stickers. I love them. I can't wait till mine gets here so I can start sending them out. And he put me a couple of pocket crosses in there as well. And I am super excited about getting these things. I've been wanting one ever since I first saw a video with one in it. These things are amazing, and they will become, one of them will become part of my everyday carry. It will go with me everywhere I go. And the other one, my wife has seen it and she wants one, so I'm going to gift the other one to her, Brother Dwayne. And I'm sure you won't mind that. And he put me a little note in here. It says, hey Bobby, brother, I love seeing your work. You create and make some amazing stuff. Glad you are using your talents. These pocket crosses are handmade in Bethlehem out of olive wood. I hope they bless you. I'll be keeping an eye out to see what you make in your shop. God bless y'all, Dwayne. Brother Dwayne, God bless you too. And you have no idea what this stuff means to me. You are truly a blessed man, and I feel blessed just getting to know you and messaging it a little bit and talking with you and watching your videos, and just keep up the good work, my friend. I appreciate it so much. And let's see if we can get one of these put up on the sticker wall over here. I've got two on there right now. I got one from Bubba's EDC, and then one from Mr. Ted Hart at Ted's shop. Let's see if I can get this separated. This is the hardest part. I really should start getting these things prepped off camera, I think. Probably be way less embarrassing. There we go. Alright, here we go. We're putting that one right there. Alright, Brother Dwayne, I certainly appreciate it again. Thank you so much for the stuff. I feel honored to get the pocket crosses and the stickers and everything else you sent. Thank you so much, brother. Everybody have a blessed day. Thank y'all.
That rooster crow